Here's how you can remove haze in Photoshop. If you're using newer versions of Photoshop, you can go at the bottom and click here to add a new adjustment layer, and there's this adjustment layer for clarity and dehaze. When you add this layer, you have two sliders available in the Properties panel, and changing the value of the second one helps you remove some of the haze in the photo. Let's zoom in a little and see how it looks with and without this effect. Another way of applying this is by going to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Under the Effects section, you have the Dehaze that works the same way. Let's click OK to apply the changes, and keep in mind that we can only undo the changes by pressing Command or Ctrl+Z. If you want to be able to control the settings, right-click on the layer and convert it into a smart object. And now when we go to Camera Raw Filter again to change the dehaze, applying the settings by pressing OK, you can now double-click on this property of the layer to update the value of the dehaze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.